That's a lot better than the 20-something hours when we took off from home to Washington. 24 hours.
Wow.
The kids were troopers, so I give them that. They didn't complain very much. They asked, where we were at. They had little fights back there in the back, but being in this big ass Tahoe, they both got their own row,
Was there?
Can you hear me?
I sure can.
Who's the first one?
Let's get Alexandra Turner.
Okay. Alexandra?
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Alexandra Turner. Good morning.
Good morning. Miss Turner, I'm Judge Herrera. I'm going to read your rights on this public intoxication, then I'm going to tell you what's going to happen, okay?
Yes, sir.
An affidavit charging you with this has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorney to represent the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. That's on felonies only. You have the right to be advised of the procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. Now, you will not qualify for a court-appointed attorney because you're going to be getting out this morning with just your signature on a promise to notice to appear. Okay? And so you understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. As soon as they get a chance that I finish magistrating, they will get you out if you don't have any other charges.
Yes, sir.
And you'll have a notice to appear. You're gonna have to go before JP4, and they're gonna, on that notice to appear, you're gonna sign it. They're gonna give you a copy. It's gonna give you an address, a phone number, and everything, the information you need and you're gonna have to be on or before the 15th of this month.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Good luck, man.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Who's next?
Jamie Arguijo.
Okay. So her original charge was assault causing bodily injury, and then she posted bond. I gotta do some things that happened between her and the husband, the bond good, then I got relinquished, and then they're bond from her. You know, then she came back into custody because that's, you know, she needs to be on bond. And then, the baby one. Yeah, she's good. Arguijo. No problem. Probably like hour and a half. I go all the way around to see the grounds here.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
Jamie Arguijo.
Miss Arguijo, I'm Judge Herrera. I'm here to magistrate you on an affidavit of surety to surrender on your assault causing bodily injury family member. I don't know if that, you know what that means, is whoever you had bond with, they came off of your bond. For what reason, I don't know. Maybe you didn't pay, maybe you didn't show up when you were supposed to show up. I really don't know. I just know that they got this warrant that they're coming off of your bond. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna read your rights and I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna have to do to get out, okay?
Okay.
An affidavit charging you with this has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. You have the right to be advised of the procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. A clerk will assist you in filling out an application. An affidavit needs to be signed. A affidavit is a written or printed declaration of a statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath before a person having authority to administer such oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standards, you will qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You'll be given the name and the phone number of an attorney, and the court-appointed attorney should contact you within 24 hours. You understand your rights, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Your bond is set at $6,000. Good luck with this, ma'am. Okay, guys, I will send y'all this shortly.
Okay.